Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Clock, and today we're gonna be looking at the time company Quartz portal Wisco's wall clock, which you could see it is running. That one, working the battery. You see, running. That one, it is working. That one, running on this battery. Now, let me put this on the back. The back over there, you see the quartz movement because the battery is taking that one. This one is a jewel one on it. It's from hanging on the wall. Since you see, it is working. That one, the battery. It's a word called Made in China, which it is running. That one looks pretty cool. Now, let me put on the front. Yup. You could see here, it is running. That one. It looks like a running movement. So, the second hand moves. It's a brand name, that one. Called the Time Company. This one I got from Briscoe's. That one I got from a while ago when I was a little kid. So it is working, that one. Thank you for watching for this video. I hope you enjoyed. That's why we've done looking at this clock here, which it is working, that one, which it is running, that one, on the kitchen wall. In that case, that one you can see. I'll see you then.